Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Learn English with David and Alice. Let's practice English together. Hey, Alice, quick question.
Yes, David?
What if I told you you can improve your English just by listening to a fun story?
That sounds amazing. Learning English with stories is actually one of the best ways to remember words.
Exactly. So today, we're going to tell you a simple and fun story and help you practice English at the same time.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything easy so beginners can follow along.
And here's the important part. Don't just listen, try to repeat after us.
Yes, that's how you really improve your speaking.
All right, let's start the story. Today's story is about a man named Tom.
Tom is a young man. He lives in a small city.
Every day, Tom wakes up early.
He wakes up at 7 in the morning.
He brushes his teeth,
He gets dressed.
and then he goes to work.
Tom works in a coffee shop.
Okay, let's pause here. Repeat after me.
I wake up early.
Good. Now say, I go to work.
Perfect. Let's continue the story.
One day, something interesting happens.
A beautiful girl walks into the coffee shop.
Her name is Emma.
Emma smiles and says, "Hello."
Tom feels nervous, but he smiles back.
He says, "Hi, what would you like?"
Emma says, I'd like a coffee, please.
Tom makes the coffee very carefully.
But suddenly,
He drops the cup.
oh no!
Tom feels embarrassed.
Let's practice a sentence.
Repeat after me. I feel nervous.
Now say, I feel embarrassed.
Great job.
Tom says, I'm so sorry.
Emma laughs and says, "It's okay." She says, "Can I get another coffee?"
Tom smiles and says, of course.
This time he is very careful.
And he makes the perfect coffee.
Emma takes the coffee and says, "This is the best coffee ever."
Tom feels happy. Now let's practice this conversation. Hello, what would you like?
"I'd like a coffee, please."
Here you go.
"Thank you."
After that day,
Emma comes to the coffee shop every day.
Tom is not nervous anymore,
He is confident.
and they become friends.
All because of one cup of coffee.
Now your turn.
Try to say this sentence. I go to a coffee shop every day.
And now I talk to new people.
Perfect.
Now listen carefully. If you really want to speak English confidently,
You need to practice every single day.
not tomorrow, not next week,
Start today.
write one sentence about your day in the comments.
We will read it and maybe use it in the next video.
And if you're serious about learning English step by step,
Subscribe now because this channel is your daily English practice.
next video, we'll do a real-life